going on, guys? In today's video we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. It's gonna be a different format than you guys are used to seeing. I haven't seen many people do this format on YouTube, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and also all the links to the products, tools, and things we use in this video will be in the video description, but if you can't find them there, just comment and I'll happily get back to you guys. So that all being said, I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. Okay. Once you guys have your buckets full of fresh, clean water, then you know the buckets are good to go. Again, rinse, wash wheels, and I got this in here right now. But I guess I'll show you guys what we put in our wheel buckets. I'm using CarPro Iron X shampoo. Just use a few squirts of that, and she's good. For wheel cleaner, using Magic Wheel Cleaner, and then this is an IK Foam Pro 2. In this, I'm diluting Brake Buster 5:1. Now I don't measure it exactly, I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm just putting CarPro Lift in here, a couple ounces of it. Again, just eyeballing. Gonna start off with the wheels. While Magic Wheel Cleaner is dwelling on the surface of the wheel, I use the Brake Buster and spray all over it and just make sure I cover everything. Now I start by cleaning the wheels with this brush. Same thing, getting around the spokes. After cleaning the wheels, first start off by rinsing off the vehicle. After rinsing off the vehicle, we're using our foam cannon and solution, and we're gonna pre-treat the vehicle. Now I'm using this CarPro boar's hair brush to get in between all the nooks and crannies. Don't forget in the gas cap. Now after all that, basically just rinse this off. In the wash bucket, I'm using CarPro Reset. And I'm also using this wash mitt from the Rag Company. So the key here was I flipped my wash mitt after one section, and now I use both sides. So every panel or so you're going to want to rinse out your wash mitt in the clean water bucket. For added lubrication and protection, you can use the foam cannon again and cover the paint after doing it the first time, just so you prevent any possibility of scratching happening or anything like that. I like to do it this way personally, but this vehicle is getting paint corrected and coated anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Always work from top to bottom when you're working on a vehicle. So I did the hood, and now I'm doing this section. Next I'll be doing other high places, and I'll go down to the doors. So after you're all done washing the vehicle, you can use a product like P&S Bead Maker and use it as a drying aid. I personally don't like to contaminate my towels with that, so I just like to, dry it with just the water on there. Sometimes if your vehicle is not ceramic coated, you can scratch it that way and cause swirls, but this vehicle is getting, like I said, polished and coated anyway, so it doesn't matter. Right here I have the Rag Company's 1500 drying towel. It's really good. It could dry this whole vehicle in a breeze. I mean, it's so good. But if your vehicle is ceramic coated, it should take no time to dry your vehicles, and you should be pretty safe away from drying. I'm gonna clay this vehicle, so I'm not gonna dry it, but I'll show you how to dry your vehicle properly. If it's ceramic coated, all you have to do, throw it on, drag it off. I mean, even for a non-ceramic coated vehicle, it's pretty good, but I end up having to lay it down and get any excess water. And you can basically do that around the whole car. Just like so. And if possible, use clean filtered air to blow out all the cracks and crevices and the areas where water tends to get stuck that you can't grab with your towel, like in this grill. Alright, well, I think I'm gonna wrap up today's video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to learn something new possibly. And again, all the links to the products and tools and stuff we used in this video will be in the description. And if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know in the comments down below. Our next video, I do like this, as long as this one does well, will probably be the interior. So let me know if you want to see that, or if you want to see something else. I will consider any video recommendations you guys have. But that all being said, I'll see you guys next time.